All right, guys, so thanks for clicking on this one. This is part 2 of the install technically, but this is the tested out video. So we're gonna get into it, see how she sounds with a cold start and a couple of driving videos, and see how we like it. All right, here's a cold start of the MBRP catback exhaust on a 5.3 Chevy Silverado. Hasn't been started in a few weeks. we did a couple of not drive-by shots, but driving with the exhaust, and I gave you some clips of inside the cab on how it sounds too. Definitely, like I said in the install video, definitely not too loud of a system, but it's, you know, a little, at least it's a little bit, just enough to you know, to make it seem like you're driving a V8. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with it, you know, because I don't want anything crazy aggressive, because I still want to be able to enjoy a ride on a long trip and stuff like that. But it does sound pretty good. Definitely let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Granted, I apologize that it was just on a GoPro mic, no external mic, so it probably didn't pick it up the best. So, but I'm sure it does sound a little bit better in real life than it does on camera, obviously. And by the way, I don't know if it matters or you guys care, but I do have a cold air intake on this as well. Probably doesn't make too much of a difference, but you know, if you're interested, you know, if you're the one shopping around, then you know, you might be curious on what I got. But that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Definitely let me know what you think of it. What are your thoughts on it? How do you think it sounds? All that stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Trying to get to my first 100 subscribers, so hopefully we can do that, you know, here coming up. But yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.